Okay, we're gonna do my brows today with this Maybelline, and it's the Express Brow. This is the number, I think it's 260 on the bottom. It's brown, be a dark brown because my eyebrows are quite dark. But I really like it. This is the wand. I've used it a couple of times now. The key, guys, is to go slowly and lightly because you can add more, but you don't want to put too much on right away. But one of the reasons, look at the difference already from this eyebrow to this eyebrow. One of the things I like about it is it pushes your eyebrows up a little bit. And it's a little bit, obviously a little bit wet when it goes on, and then it dries. And it just gives your eyebrows, it fills it in, but it also just, I don't know, it just gives it a little bit better shape, I think. So now we'll do this side as well. And like I said, light hand if you can. I do sometimes go too heavy, and you can just use like a Q-tip or whatever to get it off. But look, doesn't that look nice? I'm very, very happy. I used to use powder. But this just, and it lasts all day. So if you're looking for an easy way to fill in your eyebrows and just make them, you know, look nicer and thicker, definitely give this a try.